Would you rather pay $270 or $123? In this box, we have a couple of Whitesville t-shirts as well as an Iron Heart mechanic shirt, and I'll get them out right now. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Now that is an Iron Heart, iron to the bone. Go ahead and throw that right there as we get out these Whitesville tees. Athletic wear by Whitesville, quality heavyweight. So I just ordered from JPfans, which is like a proxy service where you can order things like Iron Heart shirts or anything really. Places like Mercari, you can order from Amazon, Japanese Amazon, and they're different things. And in Japan, you're going to have way better prices because the exchange rate is favorable for the US audience. Because when you think about it, Iron Heart retails for several $100s. What I bought here today was an Iron Heart shirt. If you go to a marketplace like eBay and you try to buy an Iron Heart Wabash shirt for $110, you are not going to be able to find it for $110. These will run probably closer to like $250 pre-owned, in good condition of course. Compared to other proxy services, JPfans actually has like the lowest rates. What happens is you build a cart, right, and you buy things from Mercari, from Amazon, you put it all in one cart, then you buy it all at one time, and they all get shipped to the warehouse, right, at different times because they're different sellers. Those items will get shipped to one warehouse where they'll then inspect it and take pictures of it, and then they'll ship it out to you. That's where the catch is. The catch when it comes to proxy services is they charge for the shipping, right? You will have to pay for shipping from their warehouse in Japan to where you live. So you have to think about that added cost, but their fees are lower than things like Buyee and I don't know the other services. And they have a 60-day free storage, unlike the other services, which is only like 30 days. So you can buy a lot of different things across more than a month, have it packaged up in the most efficient way possible to save as much money as possible. Because when you think about this $110 Iron Heart shirt, if I were to resell it in the US, I will make my money back. And if you're afraid of the shipping costs, they do actually have an estimator, so you can click on the estimation. They have this shipping calculator, so that way you're not caught with like a surprise bill. Usually when you're looking at these proxy service complaints, it's from people that don't understand the shipping aspect of it, and that's where they really get got, because they might have like really big packages, really bulky items, things like that. But when it comes to clothing, it's going to be really easy to ship some clothing, and that's why I think this is really good for my audience, JPfans. I would definitely check it out because I'm excited to review that Iron Heart shirt. And I'm not sure if you noticed, but I also got a couple of Whitesville shirts which showed up in that one TV show, The Bear, which I've never seen. But apparently those loop wheel shirts are super dope, and I bought them on JPfans for only just about $50. If you use my affiliate link in the description or in the comments, you will get about $86 in coupon codes that you can use and save a lot of money. But again, remember the shipping thing, because you have to make sure that the items you're buying are actually worth buying from Japan, not just because they exist.